Today we're going to unbox a gift. Let's go and unbox it. Yahoo! Criss Cross Crash. Here it's written. And this is also Hot Wheels. Look, there's a car. Let's start unboxing. Such a huge piece. And the most important part, the manual. Stickers. Not here, little brother. The stickers are not important. These clips are. Okay, I get it. Here comes the car out. Let's pull out the car. Yeah. Here is the beauty. And again the same pattern. One wheel small and one wheel big. Isn't it awesome? We have the first piece, a monstrous beast. No more bush there. That's mine. More. This is the first one, the second one, third one, and the fourth one. Different. Now, in this piece, we have got one, different, 2, 3, 4. This piece is different, so I'll keep it over here. Now, these curved pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here comes the racetrack. I have an idea where to keep them. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The important piece. 1 clip, 2 clip, 3, 4 clips we have. And stickers, which Mubashir liked. Oh, these are gears, they move. Let's assemble it according to the A, B, C, D letters written on the pieces. The orange pieces and the body are marked with A, B, and C accordingly. Just watch it and fix it. We are almost finished. Let's begin with the racetrack. These are the clips. We have to fit these over here like this. Slide it more till it comes in the middle of the racetrack. I know you guys are very smart and you can figure out how to put them in the middle. Slide this also in these, like this. My tracks are done. I have problems. Let me check if they all have clips. There you go. You have to attach it in these slots. One, 2. This one, my sides are done. My side is done. Done. Now, let's Now the fun part! The stickers! Yeah! The first sticker is here. Second sticker. The last sticker. And yeah, go here. It goes like this. Here, like this. The last sticker. Here are 4 contestants. 4 Mustang GT. Something. Vampire. Road Cannibal. Only they 4 fit in this track. Let the game begin. With playing Criss Cross Crash, and it also has good quality, bright colors. I like this set, don't you? Bye! Friendo, subscribe and press the bell icon. Like, comment, share. Let's learn, play together, and enjoy!